Okay, gotcha.
Okay, got it, yeah.
Okay, now we just need to get Stephanie on this. Let's see. Okay, just invited her again, so hopefully that works.
Okay, sounds good.
Still haven't had time to write it. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I'm in the library, so there might be a lot of background noise.
I can hear them too, but yeah, I can hear them.
All right, good.
2014.
How's your day going?
It's going good. It's just
So busy.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Right now, I am majoring.
all right. Well, I guess while we're waiting for her, so I did all the questions except two. No, I skipped one because I wasn't sure, and I'm like pretty sure I got most of them wrong.
Yeah, I did all of them, but there was one that like I just know I didn't do it right. So I emailed her about it, but haven't gotten anything back yet, and we'll see on that one. But I mean, I can tell you what I did get, even though I'm questioning if that's not right.
Yeah, I'll see what she has to say. I'm so confused with this, like this class.
Yeah, it's a lot. Like the questions and stuff is a lot, and there's a lot of material to remember.
Well, I feel like it's like at least with like the Punnett squares and whatnot, she doesn't really show how to do that. So I'm like,
Yeah, it's true. You're sort of supposed to just get it. Seems like.
Yeah, it's like that doesn't work.
Yeah.
Where is she? I'm gonna invite her one more time, see if she'll get it.
Okay.
Oh, here she is.
Oh, yay. Sweet.
Yay, we got you.
Yay. Sweet.
All right, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Okay. Who wants to go first?
Whoever's got it. Do you want to go first, Stephanie? Because you said you were just getting through it.
Hold on. I'm working on number 2 right now. If anybody wants to do number 1.
Oh, okay.
I skipped number 1, so.
Okay, then I'll do it. For 1A. For the mom, I got I, and then RR, MN, little r. So little i's, and then little r's, MN. Father, I got IA, little I, and then big R, little r, MN, MM, sorry. And then the child has little I, little r, big M, big M.
I think that's what I actually ended up getting when we were working on that one night. Katelyn.
Yeah.
For their genotypes.
Yeah.
Okay. Sweet. So B,
Hey,
I
will
got,
you repeat the dads real quick? Sorry.
yeah, the dads I got big I A, and then little I, R
Yeah.
R, big R, little R, sorry, and then M M.
And little m, little m?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So B, I got 1/32.
Mhm.
And then C, 1/64.
Yeah.
And D, I said no. It doesn't mean that he's correct because he could be heterozygous for for B type blood and the R factor. So he could have IB little I and then big R little R and N, and it would still be possible for him to have that child.
That one I was a little bit confused on. Like, that one was just a jumble of words that I was, like, not understanding. So, can you, like, wait, so you said no because...
I said no because like he's saying that he has type B blood
Uh-huh.
and the mom has type A blood. They both have RH positive, and he has N and the mom has MN. And so
Yeah.
he says that it's not possible for him to have a child with O type blood, RH negative, or MN. But since the mom has MN, that means that the child could have MN because he has an N.
Mm-hmm.
And the child could have RH negative because they could both be heterozygous for the R, so they could both have big R, little r. So the child could have two little r's. And
Okay.
And it could be the mom could be
or
AO and the dad could be BO, and then they could get no child.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah.
All right. I'll do number 2. I'm not 100% sure if I did this right. Probably not. But I got for A, I got for the genotypes big P, big R, and two little P's, and big R, little r. But again, I'm not 100% sure that's right. B, I skipped over because I wasn't sure how to get 3 rows. But it's probably. What do you
So,
think it was,
for
Bailey?
B, I got big R, small p, and then second parent would have big R, small p, small p. So that way you could get 3 rows and then 1 single.
Okay, thanks.
Yeah. Same.
Okay, and then for C, I got 2 big R's and 2 little P's, and then 2 little R's, 2 little P's.
Hold on, you
And
said 2 big R's and then 2 little p's, and then 2 big R's and 2 little p's.
2 little R's, 2 little P's for the second one.
I gotcha.
And then for the third one, I got big P, 2 little R's, big P, 2 little R's.
So whenever he says that, I'm gonna laugh.
Yeah, because it could be the. Excuse me. No. Or you can do it the opposite way with R's. So 2 big R's and then 1 big R. And then all
Okay,
little p's. So it can be either way for the p's or the R's. Since
Okay.
with those 2, you only need 1, I believe. Yeah.
okay, great. Okay, who wants to do 3?
Okay, so that was the one that I didn't know about. I thought that was like super rough. I don't know the explanation, but from the numbers you can figure out B, basically.
I put for the explanation that it's a multiple allele inheritance.
Yeah, that's what I put too, but I thought it was wrong just because their numbers are so off and so weird.
Yeah.
Because, like, it didn't make sense to me that if you cross 2 palominos that you can also get chestnuts and cremellos. So, I don't know, that might just be something I need to figure out. But
I mean, the horse could be recessive for something, but again, I'm not like 100% sure.
right.
But what'd you put for B?
For B, for the chestnut genotypes, I said it could be a chestnut with a chestnut or a chestnut with a palomino or a palomino with a palomino to get a chestnut genotype.
Okay. I did not do that right then.
And then palominos, chestnut palomino, palomino palomino, or palomino cremello. And then cremello is cremello cremello, palomino cremello, and palomino palomino. I think.
Right.
But now that I go over that, maybe I did that wrong. I went back and looked at like her answer key for the individual one. I kind of tried to do what she did there, but I don't know.
Yeah, well, like what I did is for that one, I did like little c with the little c, the big C, and then the C with the little H at the top. But I could be wrong.
Okay.
Again, I wasn't sure about that one.
Yeah. I asked her about that one, so hopefully she gets back to me on that. I don't know. Okay, do you guys want to move on to 4?
Yeah.
So 4 we kind of worked on. So 4A we got for the first one glycosol transferase. And then the second space would be galactose.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then B, incomplete dominance. C, codominance. D, overdominance. And then D, I couldn't find D or E or F.
So
Go
go for it.
No, well, no, you go ahead.
Okay, sorry. So E, I found phenylketonuria that she talked about, and F, I said on F, I said the first one is dominant inheritance, and the second one is lethal inheritance. The second line.
That
Okay.
makes sense. I didn't know if we were allowed to reuse them, but that makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
So the first part was dominance, and the second one was lethal.
That's what I did. Yeah.
Right.
That makes sense.
Yeah, that does make sense. Because that makes sense. Never mind.
Okay, and then G and H. I wasn't sure how to do those. So, did one of you do this or?
I totally guessed. I didn't do it right.
I guess too. I like since this trait is like maternally controlled. I can't remember what that's called. I just put the same genotypes that they like the percentage of the genotypes for the percentage with the for the progeny. So I said it'd be 30%. It would actually be 60% dextral, and then 40% synstral. And I basically did the same thing on the next one because it's also a mom inherited thing. So it was 40% green and 60% white. But I don't know if that's right. I was sort of guessing on that too.
Yeah, I don't know. When it comes to like all of these, I have to like write it out because my brain just like twists. I can't.
Yeah.
So.
Totally. Me too.
Anybody want to do 5?
I did. I think I got this right. I hope. but I wrote it out and like I got for a one black and the genotype is BS and one seppi with SS.
That's
Like
okay.
like if when I did the Punnett square, it made sense.
Yeah.
Um, and then for B, I got both seppi and they're SC. And then for C, I got one black, which is BW, and one seppi, which is SW. And for D, I got both black, and they're both BW.
Mhm.
Does that
Yeah,
sound about right?
Yeah.
All right, great. So,
Right, you said for C
yeah.
you got one black and then one white, and that was what you said?
For which one?
For C.
C, I put one black and one seppi, but the genomes are BW and SW.
Okay.
So that's how you get the one little white offspring.
Okay, so you got A is one black BS, one sepia, which would then be the CC still, or would it be B?
I did SS because there were no cream, because there was no cream offspring.
Okay, I see what you're saying. Okay, and then B is both sepia, CC, and then C is one black BW, one sepia, SW, and then D would be both black and BW.
Yeah, that's what I got.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, I think those are good.
All right.
All right, sounds good.
All right,
Okay.
great.
Thanks, guys. Bye.
Yeah, I'll
See ya.
post this.
Thank you.
All right.
No
Bye.
problem.